So yeah, this is the other side. As you can see where the cladding is coming up there. What I'm also doing here is, you see I've already put the bottom half already, so there's not really much to go up top. I might just plasterboard it because it's cheap and cheerful and it'll do the job. But as you can see, everything's ready for all the electrical points. I've got the lights there ready to go. I've got the garage consumer unit ready to go. So it's just, and I've got the armoured cable ready to go as well. So it's just a matter of fitting all of those in. And then we can go on to the next stage. Yeah. So as you can see, the cladding's gone up more or less for the photography side of things. All the wall ports are going in, and I'm starting to get the workshop side cladded as well on the inside. So yeah, it's getting there.